Learning to write program stretches your mind and help you think better. Creates a way of thinking about things that I think is helpful in all domains. This quote is from Bill Gates and it perfectly sums up the power of learning to code. But here's the thing, you don't need to be a tech genius or a future programmer to benefit from coding. Let me tell you why. Why you should learn to code no matter what you do in your life. Before this, I'm going to tell why I started coding. So, when I was in UKG class, for the first time, when I saw my parents' mobile phone, that was Nokia keypad mobile phone, and I was playing cricket game on it, I wondered that how anyone is running inside mobile phone or playing cricket. I was so curious to know this, but there was no one who can answer my question. And when I was in class 4, for the first time, I saw computer and my teachers were guiding us how to hold mouse, how to type on keyboard. But I don't know anything about computer. But I was so happy that I'm working on computer. As I grew older, I started studying about computer, what computer is, how to operate it, and knows about coding, what coding actually is, how to code a program. And my first coding language was Python. And I write first code on addition of a natural number, not by my its own self. I Google here and there, and I was able to write the program, and I was so happy that it was executed successfully without any error. I know this is not an advanced code that helped me to build an advanced software or application, but I was so happy that I'm able to write the code. And from that day, I worked more on coding language and I built my some own games and some projects and still involved in learning to solve real world problem. So this was my story and why you should learn to code. I'm going to cover in 3 points. So let's get started. The first one is coding teaches you how to think. For the first time, when I started coding, I was thinking that it was just writing about some line of code or printing hello world. But soon I realized coding is actually training for your brain. When you write code, you break big problem into small pieces. You think logically, you break outcome, and when something breaks, you don't panic. You debug it step by step until you fix it. It's like gym for your brain, and over time, you get mentally stronger. Now, the second one is you can build things that matter. Now, here's the exciting part with code. You're not just learning, you are creating. Let's say your college has no smart system to manage events or reminder. You can actually build an app that reminds students deadline, like smart study reminder app. It can send them notifications, suggest revision time, and help them to keep or track their progress. And guess what? This small idea could help hundred, not even hundred thousands of students. This is the power of code. It turns ideas into impact. Last but not the least, third one is you understand the digital world. Everything around us, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, even this video you're watching runs on code. When you learn how it works, you are no longer just a user. You are a creator who understands what is happening behind the screen. You won't be fooled by buzzwords like AI, blockchain, or algorithm. You will know exactly how these systems are built and maybe even how to improve them. So these were 3 points from my side, and learning to code is not just about getting a job. It's about upgrading your brain, solving real world problem, and truly understanding the world we live in. So still, if you are thinking, should I start coding? My answer is yes. Start small, start now. Because every line of code is a step toward building a smarter you. Let me know in the comment section your first coding project. Like this video if you found it helpful and share with your friend. Thanks for watching.